Hello students, today we discuss the continuation of human health and disease, another subtopic, that is AIDS under. What is the full form of AIDS under? Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. That means it must infect one specific virus. Acquired means it must be infect. Who will be infect? There is no caste, there is no creed, there is no gender, there is no age. At any age, any caste, any creed, any gender, it must infect and all. Even at the age of 5th year, particular children or he or she, they may little chance to infect such a type of disease and all. Why? Because this disease we call as STD disease and all. That is a sexually transmitted disease, more probably, maximum, more than 90% of the disease. Syndrome, what is it by syndrome? A group of diseases. AIDS is not a disease, AIDS is a group of diseases and all. Whenever entering of one specific virus, which virus causes to the AIDS and all? Human immunodeficiency virus and all. It causes HIV. What is the form of HIV? That is also very important. Human immunodeficiency. Whenever destroy our immune system, then it invade, it attack many number of pathogens in a specific particular organism and all. Then multiple number of that particular infections it will be causes and all. That condition only we call as AIDS and all. Then which virus causes to the AIDS and all? HIV. In this particular HIV, then which specific year, the first AIDS case, it must be identified under 1981 in American countries and all. Then in India, the first AIDS case, it identified to the 1986. It is abroad, it is Indian first AIDS case and all. So up to now, more than 25 millions were affected as well as died with the help of these particular AIDS and all. In this one. So what are the tests to diagnose this particular AIDS and all? The primary test to diagnose this test is the ELISA. What is the full form of ELISA? Enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay and all. So enzyme-linked immunosorbent assay. This is the preliminary test. What is the confirmation test related to this one? PCR, polymerase chain reaction, as well as one more test also is there. Western blot test, WBT also is there. But more probably, ELISA as well as PCR. In another case also it is possible, Western blot test. This is the diagnostic test. Now, what is the structure? What is the structure of HIV and all? This is very minute, 90 to 120 nanometer, that the specific size of this particular virus and what is the family of this virus? Retroviridae family. What type of enzymes are present? Reverse transcriptase, protease, integrase. These three types of enzymes present. But what is the unique nature of enzyme present inside the HIV and reverse transcriptase? It is a unique nature, RTC. It helps whatever the genetic material present inside the HIV, if it enter into the host one, it must be changes their genetic material. That is most important. Which specific enzyme present into the HIV, it helps to change in original genome, whatever genetic material, it converts into the another genetic material with the help of reverse transcriptase enzyme and all. What is the specific genetic material present in HIV? One pair of single-stranded RNA. That is also very important. Single-stranded RNA. They give particular options. Double-stranded RNA, single-stranded DNA, double-stranded DNA. Then your answer will be what is the genetic material present in HIV? Single-stranded, one pair of RNA material is present. If it enter into the host, then with the help of reverse transcriptase, it changes into the DNA. Then only it multiplies, then only it invades, then only it destroys. inside the host specific cells, then it may be causes that particular type of the disease and all. This is the then outer envelope. It is also covered with one envelope. That is the lipid bilayer. That particular lipid layer, it must be covered along with that particular capsid. It will be present. Then what is the family? Retrogradate family and all. Then how it infect? How it infect? The major 90% through STD, sexually transmitted disease and all. Then unprotected sex, then it may be causes and all. Then just now I said there is a very less percentage also it is possible in 5-year children such type of the disease and all. How? Because of contaminated blood. Why? Because HIV virus, it must stay in the serum, the vaginal fluid as well as the blood. Such type of these particular places, it ready to present and all. That's why contaminated HIV infected blood, if it transmit to the normal person, 100% it must infect and all. Then 90% through STDs. So multiple sex partners, unprotected sex, then it is possible to transmit and all. So in this particular cases, especially the peer age group persons, the 15 to 25 years, maximum number of that particular cases. Right? That's why it is one type of the fatal disease and all. Then apart from this one, it is also transmitted through unprotected or unsterilized instrument like razor, that means the blade, surgical instruments, needles, whatever it may be. While using this one, it is also chance, that is less than 5% to transmit infected person to the healthy person and all. Then these are the main causes, either contaminated HIV blood to the normal person if it is transmitted. That means through blood transmission as well as unsterilized instruments, by using of unsterilized instruments. That is most important to transmit. Then apart from this one, infected mother to the babies. It is also less than, there is 1% there may be chance. Infected mother to the baby also, there may be possibility to transmit this disease and all. So after transmission, which particular cells it must ready to invade and all. Especially it invades to the cell-mediated immunity. That means T lymphocytes and all. That is also most important. What type of these cells? It must be, that is especially helper thymus cells and all. Whenever it invades helper thymus cells, then if it is multiplies maximum, if it is destroys maximum, that is none other than it is regarding related cell-mediated immunity. Whenever destroys maximum number of helper T cells and all, then the specific symptoms, the specific disease, it must affect it and all. That is most important. Which specific thymus cells, it must invade the HIV particular virus and all. That is the helper T cells and all. In that helper T cells, again CD4, CD8, again subdivisions are there. In that one, CD4, that means a cluster of differentiation. Cluster of differentiation of 4. There CD4, it must be more infected and all. Then whenever destroys that cell-mediated immunity, one among the helper T cells and all, then automatically it invade, it is spread different parts of this one. Then the characteristic features for destroying this particular type of the cells, time will be takes place particular period of time. What is the particular period of time? Especially minimum 2 years, maximum 5 years. So 2 to 5 years, it is the incubation period of HIV infection and all. So after 2 to 5 years, what are the symptoms normally? Diagnostic already said, ELISA, PCR as well as WBT and all. Then what are the symptoms of the disease? What are the symptoms? Normally, the specific type of the symptom, that is the weight loss, 10% of the total weight loss, as well as TB, as well as fever, gonorrhea, syphilis, such type of the STD diseases. That means AIDS is not a disease, it is a group of diseases. Whatever the disease, one disease immediately after another disease, that means multiple, parallelly, repeatedly, one another. Why? Because whenever breakdown in our defense mechanism in our body, automatically it invade all type of the pathogenic, either virus, bacteria, fungus, all it will be attacking. Then total metabolic activities, metabolic systems will be destroyed. If it destroys all metabolic activities, what happens? Automatically, if it leads to the death of that one, there is no specific vaccination for this AIDS and all. If it enter HIV within 5 years, it must be causes that particular symptoms or appearance. After appearance of these symptoms within 5 to 10 years, that infected person will be dies, whatever its particular age and all. This particular virus, who is the scientist, will be identified. Luc Montagnier as well as Robert Gallo, that particular scientist, they must be identified this specific HIV virus and all. This particular one. Is there any remedy? Is there any treatment? But one particular treatment is there. Retroviral therapy and all. Retroviral RVT. Antiretroviral therapy. Antiretroviral therapy is the best one, but there is a minimum side effects also it will be present. Then apart from this one, azithromycin also medication, but it extends their lifespan and all. But death is the compulsory. Any human being, death is the compulsory, but a specific period of time. But whomever infected HIV, but within less period of time. Suppose if it is infected 5 years age group, if it is suffering from that AIDS, within 10 years that person will be dead. By using of antiretroviral therapy or azithromycin, then 3 to 5 years or maximum 10 years they must be extended. Then to overcome this one, some prevention, but some doubts are there. So how one cannot infect to this one? Sharing their belongings, but nowadays sharing their belongings, there may be chance to affect. That is the corona also, coronavirus and all. But sharing their belongings, it won't work. Apart from this one, shaking hands and all, hugging, as well as all these particular one, it cannot. Sterilize needles, as well as that purified, the tested blood, if it transmitted, it never infected. Through mosquito bite also, it never been infected from one person to another person also. So that is related to that particular AIDS and all. In this specific AIDS, to overcome that particular one, you must develop a specific personal life skills and all. What are the life skills and all? Decision making skill, handling peer pressure, then copying skill, as well as interpersonal skill. That specific type of the skills, if you develop, then automatically to overcome such type of the problem and all. Then apart from this one another very important, because of maximum STDs only it may be causes and all. One among the that is reproductive tract infection. To overcome this one, only one life partner, only one life partner, not multiple life partner. Multiple life partner, automatically it may be causes such type of infection and all. Only one life partner, as well as by using such type of any another partner and all, by using of the condoms, as well as femidomes related to the female and all. It is also one among the precautionary methods to overcome such type of the dangerous infection regarding related to AIDS and all. Then another important topic related to this one, another topic related to cancer and all. So what is meant by cancer? Whenever abnormal growth of the cell division, normally cell division it takes place continuously and all. So how the cell division takes place? Either mitosis or meiosis. Meiosis cell division normally it takes place regarding related to formation of the gametes. But the most common type of the cell division related to mitosis for growth and development of the organism, growth and development of the specific type of the cells or organs, organ systems, everything for all these one. Especially this, what is the way cancer? Abnormal growth of the mitotic cell division. That is most important. Abnormal growth of the mitotic cell division. Then that particular condition, that particular causes, it may be forms into the tumor and all. It may be causes, it may be forms into the tumors. It forms into the tumors. These tumors Some of the tumors, it is surrounded by the epithelial tissues without spreading from infected area to the another particular healthy cells and all. That means these tumors without spreading, that means harmless tumors. Normally we call as benign tumors and all. Harmless tumors are benign tumors because of it spread, it covered with the specific type of the epithelial tissues and all. Some of these one, it must be spread from infected, from abnormal cell growth. It is spread. That means neoplastic. Neoplastic means tumorous cells. It ready to spread from that specific area to the remaining healthy area and all. That spreading of the tumors normally we call as malignancy. Another one we call as malignancy. Malignancy tumor. The state of malignancy, otherwise we call as cancer. Normal tumors through surgical operation, it ready to remove. It is not that much pathogenic, that much dangerous and all. But malignancy, it may be causes cancer. Why? Because it won't be present, it may not be surrounded by any type of epithelial tissues and all, but ready to infect, ready to spread from one area to another area. That particular condition we called as a cancer. So, who will be causes this particular type of the cancer? Whomever causes that particular cancer we call as carcinogenic agents and all. That is carcinogen. Whomever causes either physical, chemical, biological carcinogenic agents which causes to the cancer and all. What are the physical carcinogenic agents? Non-ionizing radiation like X-ray, gamma rays. Ionizing radiation like ultraviolet rays. So, physical carcinogenic agents, non-ionizing radiations, that means X-rays as well as gamma rays. Apart from this one, iodation, that means non-ionizing radiation related to that specific type of ultraviolet rays and all. So ionizing, non-ionizing. Ionizing in that sense, X-rays and gamma rays. Non-ionizing rays, ultraviolet rays. If it is exposed constantly in our body, this specific rays maximum period of time, then what happen? Automatically it must be spread from one to another. Automatically described to the DNA, then it causes to the cancer and all. So physical related to physical, that means ionizing X-rays, gamma rays, non-ionizing ultraviolet rays to destroy the DNA, it causes to the cancer. Then chemical carcinogen. What is a chemical carcinogen? Chemical carcinogen in that sense by using of alcohol as well as soot, as well as aflatoxin, as well as certain type of the drugs. These particular chemicals, most widely using of the chemical carcinogen, which causes maximum dangerous, which causes to the lung cancer. That nothing but tobacco products. By using of maximum tobacco products, it is also one among the very dangerous, that particular chemical carcinogen and all. Then apart from this one, biological carcinogen, especially certain viruses. What type of the viruses? Normally it infected and all. Oncogenic viruses and all. Normally oncogenes, that is cellular oncogene, the primary oncogene. Whenever oncogenic viruses enter in that particular healthier person's body and all, then it may be causes to the cancer and all. Then any one among these method, if it enter, if it is exposed, then different types of the cancers present. How many types of cancers present? Apart from this one, mutational. Why? Because whenever mutational changes, why? Because while exposed to the UV rays, while exposed to the X-rays, gamma rays, or a maximum amount of chemicals, whatever it may be, that may be causes to the mutation. That means sudden change in that particular cell division and all. Then it is also to growth, to promote, that is a telomerase, one specific type of the enzyme and all. Telomerase which support, which maintain specific type of the cancer in that specific part and all. Then how many types of the cancer according to exposing, according to invading of the cancer and all. Suppose the cancer invades to the skin, the cancer invades to the lungs as well as liver, as well. So epithelial tissues, wherever it is present, epithelial, either lung cancer, liver cancer, as well as stomach cancer or skin cancer, whatever it may be, such type of the cancer, any one among the carcinogenic agents and or DDT, whatever it may be, then what we call as there is a carcinoma. That is most common type of the cancer, carcinoma. The cancer which affected that epithelial tissues like skin cancer, lung cancer, breast cancer, stomach cancer, such type of this one, all are regarding related to carcinoma. Then some of these one, bone marrow cancer, as well as muscular, if it is attacked to the muscles and all, or lymph nodes and all, such type of the cancer, that is what we call as, why? Because it becomes a neoplasm, it becomes a malignancy or metastasis, the particular spreading of that abnormal growth of the cell divisions, we call as metastasis, that particular condition. Then it destroys one another, then automatically it may chance to death of that specific, if it is intensity of the cancer and all. So either muscle cells, either bone marrow, as well as lymph nodes if it attack, such type of the cancer we call as sarcoma. The cancer if attack to the blood cells and all, then what we call as such type of the cancer, leukemia. That is we call as leukemia in blood cells, especially white blood cells and all. So this is the types of this one. How it will detect this cancer and all, how diagnose the cancer with the help of X-rays as well as biopsy. Biopsy in the sense, small amount of tissue it is separated and tested. Then what is the growth? What is the number previous healthier cell? What is the number of cells which are present after that specific infection of the cancerous and all. So either biopsy method or X-ray as well as CT scan, compound, that is a computed tomography, as well as the original, the complete diagnosis regarding related to magnetic resonance images and all. Either X-ray or CT scan or as well as MRI, then biopsy, magnetic resonance images, computed tomography, X-ray, but maximum if you spray means automatic results maybe causes this one. Then biopsy. These are the particular diagnostic methods and all. Okay, what is the treatment? What is the remedy specific type of these cancers and all? The remedy means related to chemotherapy as well as radiotherapy. Suppose while doing radiotherapy, chemotherapy means wherever it infected, automatically that specific carcinosis, that specific cancerous cells ready to destroy without destroying of normal cells. That is very most important. If you destroy along with this one normal immunity, rather than one particular disease, it will be affected another one. Original immunity ready to destroy and all. So radio, by exposing of radio, that activity, rays and all, specific cancer, that wherever it will be infected and all, then it must be destroying and all, it must be kills and all. Then there is a chemotherapy as well as radiotherapy is the best one. But there is a certain chemical pills. If you take such type of pills, there is a lot of that particular infection, secondary. That means regarding hair loss, as well as apart from that hair loss, it is also causes different types of this, the secondary infections. It may not up to the mark and all. That's why more probably either radiotherapy as well as chemotherapy, one and one. But nowadays there is 100% to complete to treat the specific type of the cancer if it is a normal condition. If it is severe condition, no one cannot be do. According to condition, according to intensity of the cancer. But what is the primary level? What is the primary method? Whenever they ask the question, what is the primary method to treat the cancer? What? Any type of the cancer. There is a surgically removal of the tumors and all. That is the primary method. According to intensity, if it is a primary stage as well as moderate stage, no problem. It is ready to treat 100% and all. If it is severe, it is not at all. At present also not possible to complete cure and all. There may be chance to extend their lifespan and all. That's why to avoid whomever smoking cigarettes, to avoid whomever drinking alcohol. Alcohol, if you drinking means daily, automatically liver will be damaged, liver cancer may be causes, that is a carcinoma and all. Cigarette smoking, not only smoking cigarette, if you inhale such type of the smoke without smoking yourself, you also equal to smoking of cigarette, it may be damage to the lungs and all. That's why it will be take care in a proper manner and all. That is related to cancer as well as AIDS. So, but very less number of the questions they ask related to these two subtopics in human health and disease, especially AIDS and all. What type of questions? Only in 2013 to 2016, in between 13, 14, 15, 16, 4 years only they asked. Last year and this year, they did not have at least one question related to AIDS and all. What type of questions more probably they ask related to AIDS and all? If HIV infect, which part of the T lymphocytes, normally it invade and all. Then they give options, TH, TC, as well as TM, different types of the cells, or different types of cells they ask and all. So HIV infected cells, then your option, TH cells and all. Then apart from this one, which particular immunity ready to destroy if it infect, if it invades with the HIV and all. They give antibody mediated, or if it gives cell mediated immunity, then your answer will be the cell mediated immunity. Automatically it destroys. If it destroys this one, automatically throughout the body, it is also remaining body parts also one can damage, then it is more dangerous related to that particular one. So which type of the immune system ready to destroy this one? Whatever the option, your answer will be the cell mediated immunity or TH cells one. Then which particular type of these helper cells? If it what are the symptoms of the AIDS and loss of the weight, as well as fever, as well as apart from this one, gonorrhea, syphilis, all multiple diseases. It must be invade if whenever infected and all. Then related to cancer, they asked and all, which one among the following? 2016, only one bit they asked related to cancer and all. Which one among the following is a false statement and all. They give regarding related to this mutations inhibit that particular telomerase and all. That is a false statement. What is the correct statement and all? Regarding related to mutations, it activate, it is not inhibit, it will be promote that particular telomerase. Telomerase, it is one among the supporting one to maintain specific type of the cancerous cells which are present in that one. Okay, you must read once or twice which is the specific particular organism which causes to the AIDS and then what is the carcinogenic agents, either physical, chemical, biological, whatever it may be, especially what is the biological agents which one can cause this and that is oncogenic viruses and all. Okay, remaining we discuss in next class.